We transformed this house into a fully automated smart one using only Shelly products. Every room in this house has been transformed and automated with Shelly devices. Devices that make your life that much easier without breaking the budget. So how do we do this? Well, let's get right into it so you can follow along and make your own home smart too. All Shelly devices can be centrally controlled and managed with ease via the free Shelly app, available on mobile or desktop, as well as over 200 integrations, including Amazon Alexa, Home Assistant, and Control 4. Before we go over the individual rooms and appliances, we wanted to convert our standard underfloor heating into a smart solution with Shelly. The underfloor heating in this house is in every room, both upstairs and downstairs. In order to control this, we installed Shelly Pro 2 PMs in the breaker box. All you need here is a relay and temperature sensor. We have dedicated short-form videos about both dry and wet contacts and underfloor heating with Shelly on both Instagram and TikTok. So if you want to understand these topics better, click the links in the description. We were also able to create a welcome scene in the entrance of the house using a Shelly door window. So when motion is detected, like entering the house, a preset welcome lighting scene activates. Similarly, when no motion is detected, the lights turn off. Along with the Shelly Pro 2 PMs, we installed 2 Shelly wall displays in the upstairs and downstairs hallways to monitor and control our underfloor heating. But this can still be done remotely through the app. Now let's have a look at what we installed in the upstairs portion of this home. So for the upstairs of this house, we had a few features in mind when installing the Shelly devices. The lights in the kitchen had to be dimmable, and the under cabinet LED lighting had to be able to be controlled, with color changes, dimming, brightness levels. In order to make this possible, we used a +i4, which is a Shelly input reader. We installed this behind the light switch. We used the Shelly Pro Dimmer 2 PM from the same breaker box to control the main dimmable lights too. For the under cabinet LEDs, we installed an RGBW PM. This allows us to independently control the LED lighting and dim the color and white brightness. We linked this to the existing wall displays, so we could control both lighting and heating from the same customizable screen. In the living room, the main lighting fixture had to be dimmable too. So similar to the dimmable lighting in the kitchen, we installed a Shelly +i4 behind the light switch and a Pro Dimmer 2 PM to enable us to control the intensity. To activate the dimming function, you need to add a script to your Shelly app when configuring. Our GitHub account is linked below, and there's a dimming script on there for you to copy and paste right into the app. The living room also has a neon bar sign and wine fridge, which we use the Shelly Plus plug to set schedules for. We have a Shelly Plus plug setup tutorial on all our social media platforms, so don't forget to check that out. The final space upstairs was the hallway. As previously mentioned, to control the hallway and stair lighting, we installed a Pro Dimmer 2 PM and linked this to the upstairs wall display too. Moving on to downstairs. In bedrooms 1 and 2, we wanted to automate the lighting by utilizing Amazon Alexa. In order to make this possible, we linked up another Shelly Pro Dimmer 2 PM, but we still added a +i4 behind the switch for those who don't want to use voice control to control their lighting. The +i4 allows us to create smart schedules and scenes that can be triggered by Alexa too. In the downstairs hallway, we used a Shelly Pro Dimmer 2 PM with the addition of i4s to control the house lighting through the wall display. The final room in the house is the bathroom, my personal favourite because it's packed with features. In the bathroom, we wanted to be able to automate the extractor fan, heated towel rail, and mirror. The extractor fan had to be able to communicate with the lights, so that when the lights were switched on, the extractor fan came on at the same time. In order to implement this, we used a Shelly Pro 2 PM, a smart switch with 2 channels that can control 2 different lights or bidirectional motors, which makes it perfect for sophisticated scenes. Now, in order to tell the extractor fan and heated towel rail to turn on and off, according to humidity and temperature, we of course used a Shelly H&T. The H&T communicates with the Pro 2 PM, so that when a certain temperature is reached, set by you, the extractor fan and heated towel rail will automatically switch off. And when the room drops to a certain temperature, they switch back on. Finally, we installed a Shelly motion sensor and relay. We chose a Shelly Pro 2 PM for install straight into the dim breaker box, to automate the bathroom mirror lights to turn on as you approach. So now you know which Shelly devices we installed across this home, let's have a quick look at the DIN enclosure box that we installed the devices into. The breaker box lives in the bathroom utility cupboard, and all lighting and heating appliances are wired directly to it. In total, we used 5 Shelly Pro Dimmer 2 PMs, which gave us 10 channels to use across each room in the house. We installed 3 Shelly Pro 2 PMs, used to control underfloor heating, the bathroom extractor fan, and heated towel rail. Finally, we have an RGBW PM, used to control the kitchen under cabinet lighting. Of course, we also used additional Shelly devices external to the DIN enclosure, including plus I4s behind the wall switches, some of the Shelly 4 input wall switches, plus plugs, motion and contact sensors, multiple Shelly H&T sensors, and 2 wall displays to complement and customize the setup based on daily routine and user preferences. So there you have it, an entire home kitted out and now automated with Shelly. From large-scale underfloor heating to smaller details like motion sensor mirrors and voice-activated lighting scenes, Shelly has a device for absolutely every smart home application. The best thing about it is that it's completely scalable through your existing Wi-Fi network. Start with a plug behind a lamp or a mini relay behind your light switch and expand and build upon your setup from there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in setting up your own smart home using Shelly, please get in contact with our wonderful support team, who can help guide you to choosing the best accessories for you and your individual needs. Don't forget to keep up to date with all our socials, which will be linked on screen now. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload from us. And please feel free to leave comments down below. We love to hear from you and help you get the most out of your networking setup. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!